Also here from TuneX Audio, Auckland, New Zealand. We've got a 2020 Rogue Glide in for a Stage 3 upgrade. Already got the Soundstream Reserve. We'll be doing Cicada tweeter grills on it. Hertz 6x9s and 8-inch mid-bass drivers, of course. Stage 3. These Rogue Glides come with the plastic ones from factory. Not all of them, but most of them do come with plastic grills. I showed him how the Cicada Audio tweeter grills look like. These are very high quality, high finish grills with a tweeter mounted on it. So he really loved the way it looked, and it all turned out really nice. It completely changes the look of the cockpit of this bike. Also, we went with the Cicada Audio FLX 700.4 Pro amplifier. It is the latest DSP 4-channel amp by Cicada Audio that just came out. We stock and can get most of the Cicada Audio stuff. So just head to our website, tunex.co.nz, or you can even message or comment down below on these videos, and I'm happy to help. What else we did was we did a 700.4 without the DSP, Hertz Audio 6x9s, Hertz 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the bags, and TuneX Pro 6.5s in the front. The bike sounded amazing. We tuned the DSP, we used an RTA, we didn't have to flash the unit because it came with the Soundstream Reserve head unit. Overall, the client was super happy when he came over and picked up the bike. He was super impressed. So yeah, check it out, guys.
So on the Rogue Glide Stage 3 build, we've done our amplifier wiring, still in progress actually. Cicada FLX 700.4. Two of these amplifiers within the fairing.
It's gonna be a mad thing when me get. It's gonna be a mad thing when me get active and burst. Sound like the military universe. Rhythm, you know I got hella burst. Yo, it's gonna be a mad thing when me get active and burst. Sound like the military universe. Rhythm, you know I got hella burst. Yo, wheel up that, pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, road boy. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, road boy. Mad thing when me get active and burst. Sound like the military universe. Rhythm, you know I got hella, isn't it? You know my thing, bird boy. Dance rap. We're gonna get off the man right now. That's part of the plan. Original that. The only one Mr. Sandman. Bumbo, pop them and late and some don't understand. How to say time and stand. Wanna follow and be like me. Wanna was paid to go never land. Let me run down the place. Cool fire man stand. You know my steam. Run down the rhythm, be a queen. And I said, for the really good weed. So my queen. When the day set the mind free. It's a map to me. Times like technique. Might do them a leveling. That's something that you never gonna see. I said I'm on the stage show. Back fear.
Recommend play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue I let my black hair grow and my weed so. And I sweat too much on the regular. We gon' let them hits fly, we gon' let it go. If it ain't next so then it gotta go. I just won a new award for a kid show. Talking about a face, coming off a bag of blow. I'm like, goddamn bitch, I am not a teacher. Goddamn bitch, I am not a bleach boy. Make a nigga understand though. Got that Hannibal, silence of the Lambo. Hit the gas so hard, make it rotate. All my niggas blew up like a propane. All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sweet Asian chick, she gon' roll me. You know me. Every time you try to forget who I am, I'll be right there to remind you again. You know me, you know me.
My life be like, ooh, ah, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, ah, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come. My life be like leaving breadcrumbs so that I stray. Well, I'm sacrificing.
places I'm used to. Finding comfort in the songs and clouds of bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon. They grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills.
Hey, Dirty, what? Look at that girl right there. She makes me say, I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Leave your lips when you talk and that make me stir, make me stir. And I like the way you look in them pants, yeah, you're fine. Your mama a quarter piece, she far from a dime. Got the type of girl that'll get you up and go make you grind. I'm picking my snatches up, dirty, making the mind. Look at her hips, look at her legs, and she stacks that. I so wouldn't mind hitting that from the back. I like it when I touch her cause she moan a little bit. Chain sagging so I can see her thong a little bit. I know you grown a little bit, 20 years old, you legal. Don't trip off my people, just hop in the Regal. I swoop down her like an eagle, swoop down on the spray. I know you popular, but you gon' be famous today. I say I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Leave your lips when you're talking, that make me stir.